Hey guys, we got a 2015 Dyna here. Customer brought it in, was having some charging system issues. We went ahead and inspected it and realized the stator was bad. Once we got into the stator, we looked at the actual clutch basket and realized the clutch basket was cracked as well because he was having some shifting issues. We replaced the stator, the magneto, as well as the rectifier. Checked the charging system out and made sure everything's charging correctly. We actually replaced the basket as well. We saved him from a catastrophic issue in the future. Come down to Motor Helmets. We do inspections, electrical diagnostics. Usually that runs for about $250. We waive that once you do the work, and we go through and check everything else out too, man. We don't just change your electrical components and send you on your way. We want to make sure you're riding safe. Motor Helmets, we're in the city of Fullerton, 714-879-8180. Hit us up.